Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the topic we discuss about is sexual reproduction in plants and pollination and its types. Learning outcomes is that describe the components of a complete flower. Flower main parts. A typical flower has four main parts. How many parts? Four main parts known as the calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. These are the four main parts: corolla, androecium, gynoecium, and calyx. In this picture, you can see that gynoecium known as carpels, gynoecium known as carpels, and androecium known as stamens. The androecium is the sum of the male reproductive organs. In next slide, we discuss about sexual reproduction in plants, and we discuss about stamens, carpels, ovary, and the gynoecium. Dear, female reproductive organs called gynoecium and male reproductive organs called androecium. Remember this term, androecium, male reproductive, and gynoecium is a female reproductive organs. Did you know the largest flower found on earth weighs 15 pounds and can grow up to 3 feet? It is called Rafflesia rolandi. You can see this picture, and this flower name is Rafflesia rolandi. The smallest is the Wolfia, which is the size of a grain of a rice. Is Wolfia edible? The plant can be eaten as a vegetable, a high protein food source. It contains 40% protein. Next our topic is about sexual reproduction in plants. Listen carefully. Sepal. In this you can see sepal. Protect the unopened flower when it is a bud. Stamen, anther and filament. Stamen हम किसको कह रहे हैं? Anther और filament. And stigma style are known as carpels. Stigma style and carpel. अब petal main function. Petal का main function है कि are usually brightly colored and to send it to attract insects and to attract the insects. In carpel, you can see in carpel consists of three main parts: stigma, number 1, style, number 2, and number 3, ovary. Number 3, ovary. Stamen. Stamen is the male part. Stamen कौन सा है? Male part. इसमें हम एंथर एंड फिलामेंट को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. एंथर जो कि प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है पोलन्स को. यू कैन सी दिस. Anther produces pollens and filament which holds the anther and allows it to move. Next, there are two main types of pollination. First, we discuss about pollination. Pollination is a transfer of pollen grains from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma. There are two main types of pollination. There are two types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. In self-pollination, pollen is transferred from anther to stigma of the same plant. Self में same plant में होगा and in cross में from transfer from anther to stigma of another plant of the same species. Same species. What are the methods of pollination? The main methods of pollination are the following. Number one, wind. And in wind pollination में क्या होता है my dear? Wind pollinated flowers are usually much smaller than insect pollinated by animals, by water. Any question, any query you may ask further. Thank you so much.